Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to the plant room. I am in the living room today, and I know we've been MIA, so thank you for coming back. And I'll post what we were doing outside that caused the commotion inside the house. But nonetheless, if you're like me, you have a bunch of plants, and sometimes we don't have natural light. So the good folks at GLOWRIUM sent me another light, which I plan to use in the spot where I'm not getting a lot of light. If you like that type of content, stick around. All right, guys, as I mentioned, most of my plants in the house thrive on artificial light. I don't get a whole lot of light in this room. The light that does come through is afternoon, and it comes through those windows over here. And, after a while, my husband's in this area, so that light gets kind of intense, so the blinds get closed. With that being said, I have to supplement the light. So if you're like me, you like to style your plants too. You buy plants and you want them where you want them, right? And through the benefit of having grow lights, you can actually put plants where you want, as long as you find that one grow light that's aesthetically pleasing. So the folks at GLOWRIUM, you guys know how I am about unboxing, right? The folks at GLOWRIUM sent me this light. It came perfectly packaged. I don't hear anything shaking around or anything like that. Now, this particular light, and I'm a fan of GLOWRIUM. I've shown you guys the floor lamp that I have in the plant room, and I've got to tell you that the plants really enjoy that light. So they reached out and they showed me this one and asked if I wanted to actually style it, and I have the perfect spot for it. So up here on my cabinet, I've got some of my trailing plants. And while there is a little bit of light that comes through here, it does not reach this area of this cabinet. So I figured this would be the perfect light for that area. So let's go ahead and open it up and put it together. And I'm going to be down here for a minute until we get it assembled. Oh, I should have brought something to open it with. Guess I'll just be tearing the box. Okay, well packaged. Who's to look first? There was a little thingy on here that would have made that a whole lot easier. Okay, let's see what we got in here. Alright, I'm gonna turn it this way so y'all can see. Comes with a 2-year warranty and their little statement on the back of the card. Comes with this, which is just how to put it together, and it comes with controls. All right. Okay. Very cool, very petite. I think I'm gonna like this. Let's see what we've got here. An Allen wrench and a couple of screws. This looks like the pot. Okay, can't take that out like that. Let's get this piece out first. Okay, the actual light. Slide that up here. The base, which feels nicely weighted. And how are you? And the power bank. All right, let's put this bad boy together, I think. Oh, it looks really simple. Okay, so basically all we're doing is attaching this to this with that bolt. So let's see. think it'll be a little easier for me this way. Let's get this bolt in here. I love easy. Get it started, maybe. Okay, I got butterfingers today. Bear with me. Just wants to be crooked. Okay, there we go. Mr. Allen wrench. Guys, easy peasy. I like this. Let's just make sure that base is straight. All right. Now, this goes, did I do that backwards? Maybe. Because if it's going to go like that, I want the control to be in the front. Hold on. Let me untighten it a little bit. And just flip this around to be this way. Yep. All right. That was simple. So, it goes like this. And this is adjustable, which is kind of cool. All right. I'm digging it. I'm digging it. I think that philodendron in the corner specifically is the one that's really not getting any light whatsoever. Because she's at an angle in that corner. The other two get some light. And you know how pothos are. They thrive, or they live with low light. But I think this is going to be helpful. Okay, power bank attached, this attached. So let's see how we do this. So my idea, obviously I've got, well, take the power bank off real quick, just so I can get this cord back there. Okay, so my idea is to do something like this. So let's bring old girl down for a minute. Come on. And I want to put this in between the books. And I need to get this cord to come back this way. Where are you? Okay. I like that the cord is nice and long. Okay, that power supply. And we're gonna plug it here. And before I hide that, ooh, nice. Okay, okay, okay. So, let's get her back up there, and then I can aim that a little better. Oh yeah. Well, she's still not getting a whole lot of it. So, okay, that's better. Let's make it so she gets the bulk of it because she really doesn't get a whole lot of light. Okay. All right. So it's up there. Now, let's take a look at those controls. Let me see what that looks like. Oh yeah, I can live with that. Let's see. So, we've got a clock. Ooh, it's got a water reminder. Guys, it's got a watering reminder, which I probably won't use, but that's a nice feature to have. It's got a clock button, a timer button, on, off, and dimming. So, press the clock to view the current time. $17.50. Oh, I didn't want you to do that. So on. Press the clock. Okay, press and hold for 2 seconds. I see. So how do you get to the minutes? Press and adjust. Hold the button for 2 seconds and enter the time. Press the up down arrows to adjust the time. Left, right. I see. Maybe. Hold for 2 seconds. Okay, so this way. Uh-huh. And I guess you would do. Okay. Close enough. Okay, so we've got the time set, and then the timer button.
Explain, please, what you did.
Guys, didn't I say I was trying to set the time? My husband back here on the sofa. Wow. Okay, so basically to set the clock, the time of day, on here it says that you press and you hold the current, you press the button to see the current time, then you hold it for 2 seconds, and you use the 2 bottom buttons, the on, off, and the dimming, to switch between minutes, between hour and minutes. So it's a little fast, but that's close enough for me. And let's see. So now I'm going to attempt to set the timer button, and it says press and hold the timer settings. First set the start time, default 8 a.m., and then the up down arrows again is the clock and the timer that adjusts the up down. Press the OK to set the time. What? It's really not that hard. It's just a little challenging when I'm on camera trying to do it for you. But if you follow this, you're good. The whole idea was to show you how I was styling the light. And I really like this. I think that these guys will get some ambient light. This girl who definitely needs some top light because she's got some wimpy leaves over here. I think she's going to do better. Plus, it accents the actual styling of the cabinet on the top part. I'm not going to bore you with the rest of setting up the time and stuff since my husband wants to be back there making fun of me. Y'all know how he is. He should have got up here and did it for me. Either way, this is the GLOWRIUM LED grow light G4. It comes in black and white. You can get the 12 or 8 watt. We'll leave a link to it in the description. I am a fan. I have several different types of grow lights that support my collection, but I do like the GLOWRIUM lights. I do think they're beneficial. Plus, they offer a bunch of different styles that you can use to accentuate your home that don't look glow lighty, you know, like the spider arms and all that weird stuff. This is cool for a certain little area, little table. Yeah, I think you would like this one. So enough of my rambling. And you know what? I'm going to give you guys a tour of this cabinet. I promise. We're going to do a cabinet at a time because it's just too many of them. But we're going to do a tour of this one. I have nothing but Hoyas in here. Anyway, at the end of the day, I'm glad you guys stopped in. I hope you made it to the end. If I could suggest a grow light, I would suggest the GLOWRIUM. I think you would be pleasantly surprised at the amount of growth you would get for your plants. And remember, autumn is coming, so we're going to have a lot more dark corners. This is a great supplemental light. Guys, thank you for popping in. I hope to see you real soon. Thank you for your patience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Talk to you real soon. Bye.